In this tutorial, let's learn how to concatenate or append data or data frames. First, let's import NumPy as NP and Pandas as PD. Let's create a data frame. DataFrame1 equal PD Pandas DataFrame NP NumPy dot random, because we want random numbers, 3 random numbers. That's why rand 3, and the name of the column will be A. Let's see the result. This is the 3 random numbers. Let's create another data frame. This is DataFrame2 PD DataFrame, again NumPy random 3 numbers. But now we mention the index. The index will be 3, 4, and 5. And the name of the column will be the same, A. But see, this is another data frame. Let's see the results. Well, this is the 3 random numbers, that they are different from the previous data frame 1. Let's append both data frames 1 and 2. The code is PD concatenate data frame 1 and 2, and let's choose x equals 0. This means rows. And let's see the results. See that we choose 3, 4, and 5 index to get this result. Otherwise, it would be different. We would have 2 columns instead of 1 column. Let's see what happened if we concatenate by column. The code is the same here, PD concatenate data frame 1, 2. The only difference is x here equal 1. 1 here is column instead of row. And let's see the results. Well, now we have 2 columns. And you see this, not a number, not a number, not a number, and not a number, not a number. Why this happens? Because in the data frame 1, we have only index 0, 1, and 2. In data frame 2 here, we have only index 3, 4, and 5. That's why we have not a number, not a number, not a number here.